All right, this is just a quick demonstration of the Visualint surveillance system and how we can draw perimeters. So we can do this around parking lots, garages, whatever. So as the person goes past the line, you can see that it triggers. This can trigger security or it can trigger app. And then as the person walks back around, everything's green until he hits that perimeter that we've drawn, and then it turns red, which we then can set an alert or notification. So that's how the Visualint system works. Here is a demonstration on Visualint again, and on the left we have a typical standard IR bullet camera. Actually, it's a PTZ camera with IR, and then on the right we have what's called Starlight. So it's a PTZ camera, but it has more of a fuller color night vision. So you can definitely see the contrast and color difference between the two cameras looking at the exact same footage. So you can see on the left that the infrared beams really focus on the plants and nothing further, because infrared is very limited on the distance and the closest thing to it is the brightest. So you can see that the Starlight does a really good job of looking at things that are a lot farther away, and the color is so much better.